At long last, AMD has finally released a worthy competitor to the Intel Core series of processors. Released on July 2019, the Zen 2 architecture by AMD is set to bridge the gap after many years of lagging behind competitor Intel in the x86 CPU market. In this video, I will be reviewing the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X processor. The 3700X is an 8-core, 16-thread chip with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a turbo frequency of 4.4 GHz with 36 megabytes of total cache and a 65-watt TDP. An improvement from the Zen Plus's architecture, the new Zen 2 3700X processor uses the 7nm TSMC manufacturing node for the main processor core, while the I/O is handled by a separate die on the same package, which utilizes the 14nm manufacturing process. This processor maintains backwards compatibility with older AM4 motherboards, such as the 400 and 300 series AMD chipsets. However, some older motherboards may not be able to support the power requirements of this new processor, while some will require a BIOS update in order to function. For my review and benchmarking, I will be pairing the Ryzen 3700X with 24 gigs of ADATA 3000 MHz RAM, an NVIDIA GTX 1070 graphics card, a Gigabyte X570 Aorus Elite, a 512GB Crucial SSD, a 700-watt Thermaltake power supply, all running Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. Here in the CPU-Z benchmarking section, I've compared the new Ryzen 7 3700X to many common CPUs, such as the Core i9 9900K, the Ryzen Threadripper 1950X, and the predecessor to this CPU, the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. Also, I've ran the throughput benchmark on Prime 95 to give you guys an idea of the performance of this CPU. In the next video, I plan to do some more benchmarking with this platform, such as gaming, testing productivity software, and running some commonly available benchmarking apps. So stay tuned for the next part of this series.